smell is so nice. It smells now tteokbokki. So the color is perfect red. Hot pepper. And the cheese will melt. So this is our favorite Korean street food. We always go to Korea. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to cook tteokbokki. Come and join me. So what are the ingredients we needed? We needed the rice cake. This is the rice cake. We need the hot pepper sauce or paste, spring onions, cheese, and either honey or the brown sugar. We also boiled eggs, and we already cut the rice cake into small pieces. Now we are boiling water for the tteokbokki or the rice cake. Now the water is boiling, so we can add now the rice cake. Cut the spring onions. Set aside the chopped spring onions. We will add this later as a toppings. Cut cheese into cubes. Tteokbokki will taste nice and yummy if you add cheese. Cheese cut into cubes. Since the water is boiling now, we can add now the hot pepper paste. We can add 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons. So I can add this much. Now tteokbokki, but we will wait for 5 more minutes. Then we can add sugar or honey. Since it is boiling now, we can just stir it to balance the hotness of the pepper. We can add the sugar. Just add 2 tablespoons also. The other things, the spring onions, the cheese, and the eggs. We also have sesame seed, but unfortunately I don't have stock of sesame seed. And we're done. We have now ready tteokbokki. So the color is perfect red. Pepper and the cheese will melt. So this is my favorite Korean street food when I always go to Korea. So hello everyone, welcome back. So now I finished cooking the tteokbokki. So with spring onions, cheese, and egg. So it looks like caldereta. So tteokbokki is stir-fry rice cakes. It is a popular Korean food made from small-size garae-tteok or the long white cylinder-shaped rice cakes. So this is the one. This is the rice cake, long cylinder. But for me, I cut it into half. And it's also called tteokmyeon. But we also know it as tteokbokki. Tteokbokki rice cakes. And sometimes they put Eomuk or the fish cakes, and also the boiled eggs. This is the boiled egg, and of course the scallions are very common, or the spring onions. That's why I put the spring onions. These are the spring onions. And for a yummy taste, I put cheese. And so these are the common ingredients of the tteokbokki. As I have mentioned, the boiled egg, the scallions or the spring onions, and cheese for an added flavor, and then you can put also sesame seeds. And usually the way we cook it is we put gochujang or the hot pepper paste. So the chili paste on the non-spicy, the ganjang or the soy sauce based sauce. But but then I think it will taste differently. So we better put the hot pepper paste, which you can buy in any Korean supermarket. Here I bought it in the Wmart. I put the vlog about the Wmart here, so you can watch it also. And I first tasted the tteokbokki when I first visited it in South Korea in 2015, and almost every day I'm eating the tteokbokki. I very like tteokbokki, and in South Korea, in Seoul, the spice, it's very spicy. But here I can at least add sugar or honey so that you can play with the spicy or the hotness of the pepper piece. And now, nowadays, tteokbokki has very lots of variations, and then it depends on the cream sauce or the seafood tteokbokki. And so in South Korea or in Seoul, they put also the fish cake. I also have fish cake, but I was not able to add here. And you can try different ways on how to add tteokbokki. You can add also the rice cakes in your ramen, which if you want, I can vlog that also when I cook the kimchi ramen with rice cakes. It will be taste nice also. And there are a lot of variations also on how to cook the rice cakes. But for now, this is the tteokbokki. Okay, come and join me while eating. I always put cheese because it's very tasty, yummy. I really like it. Is very famous in Seoul or in South Korea. It is a famous street food. It is available in almost all snack bar. So if there's a fishball and kikiam in the Philippines, there is always tteokbokki, and of course the fish cake also. Seoul, you can buy the ready-made tteokbokki, where you can just sometimes you just have to microwave it, add water, and then put it in the microwave, or you can just have to put a boiling water and then you add the tteokbokki and the sauce. Then it's the biola ready-made. You can eat easily the tteokbokki. But even if you're not doing it, you can just easily cook it just how I showed you in the video. Excuse me. I told you, I can really finish one bowl of tteokbokki. It is very delicious. The rice cake is heavy for the stomach. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment, and share.